Hey, what is up everybody? It is Uncle Mad. And tonight we're cooking a little fancy dinner on the Blackstone grill. What we're cooking tonight is something I saw several times on YouTube. I watch a lot of people that do like griddle cook videos on YouTube to get ideas, inspiration, to see recipes and new things we can try on our Blackstone. And I saw two different channels that I watch do a variation of what we're gonna do tonight. I'll put links in the description down below to their videos so you can see the originals that I'm taking the idea from. We're doing Smashburger tacos. This should be a lot of fun. Here's what's gonna be a little different about what we do. The two videos I saw did Smashburger tacos that were mostly burgers, not tacos. We're gonna be doing more tacos rather than burgers on ours. So changing it up a little bit. Should be really easy, really simple to cook. Shouldn't take long at all. We'll be eating in no time, but we gotta get started. Quit blabbering. Jess has distracted me enough. I should have been cooking hours ago, but she just chip. So time to cook though. Let's get on to the prep. That was my shoe, not a fart. All right, here's what we're working with. Get to use the actual Blackstone taco toppings tray for the first time. Got some tomatoes, regular sour cream, pickled onions, pico, avocado. We're gonna slice that a little closer to time when it's ready. Shreddy cheese. I made a special crema to go with these. This is like half sour cream, half mayo, half Valentina, picos, caliente salsa. I can't say that right. A little bit of seasonings. And then I'm gonna do some taco style potatoes seasoned with tagine. So this should all be pretty good tonight. Alright, we're gonna get the potatoes going first because they'll take a little bit longer to cook through than the Smashburgers. Smashburgers, man, they'll go through in like 4 or 5 minutes tops. So that's what I love about Smashburgers, is they just get cooked and they get done. Alright, so here are our pre-smashed burgers. Gonna season them, since we're doing taco style, up with the taco seasoning. Alright. A bit of oil. Alright, here's where the trick comes in. Instead of just smashing, we smash with the shell. Alright, we're gonna steal a blue apron trick and throw a little salt on the back of the shells. A little more salt on the taters too. The key here is when you smash the burgers, they're so thin they don't need as much cooking, so they can go a lot faster, and you also don't necessarily need to flip them and have them cook them on both sides, because they're flat enough that they'll cook through on the one side. Oh, nice. Yeah, it came out perfect. Oh yeah. Oh, that one got a little stick up there. Perfect. Alright, so we're gonna throw a little American cheese on top, let that get good and melty, while the bottom side of the tort's toast. Alright, here are the finished tacos pre-getting topped. And the toppings are over here waiting to be placed on the top. That all made sense. All right, now we're ready to eat. Here is what one of the finished products look like. I got some avocado, the special crema and tomato and a little extra cheese on there. this is not for you at all, in no shape, form, or fashion. No, 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 no. Here we go, bone apple teas. Oh my goodness. That came out pretty good. I like it. What do you think?
It's confusing.
They're very burger flavored when you bite into the meat, but then you get like all the other taco stuff in there. So it's like,
it's good, but it's confusing.
it's like a good Smashburger American cheese mix comes through, and then all of a sudden it's like, wait a minute, here comes the avocado and the taco seasoning and the other taco shells. It's interesting. Good. I recommend trying it. This has been fun. We'll see how those potatoes turned out. Taters. Bone apple cheese.
Get out of here, man.
Pretty good too. Not bad. Probably should air fry these. I think these potatoes work better in the air fryer, but these are still pretty good. The flavor's there. All right, last thing we got to do to wrap up the night is clean the grill. I recently bought this new grill rescue brush. You can see it's kind of just like a soft brush. It's kind of perfect for the flat tops. You just kind of use this, dip it in some water. Just kind of, you want to get that top layer of film off is all you really got to do on the griddles. That's what's kind of cool about them as opposed to, like, you know, a normal grill. It's kind of like cooking on a big cast iron skillet, because the more you cook on it, the more seasoned it gets. So you really just need to get that top layer of film kind of off after you cook. And then you just throw some oil down, kind of re-season it up, and just shut her down and you're good to go. So final assessment. These were good. They were an interesting taste. It was a fun thing to try. I don't necessarily think I would do it again, because I think I'd rather have straight up Smashburgers or straight up tacos than a Smashburger taco, because it was like Justice said, it was good, but it did kind of catch you off guard the way the kind of unexpected hit of the two different styles of flavors. I kind of wonder if it would have been better if I'd done it like the videos that are linked below did, where they made them on a taco shell, but they dressed them up like a burger. They put, you know, lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mustard, like the normal burger stuff on them, whereas I did steered more into the taco side of things. But it's fun to try. It's one of the cool things about the Blackstone, one of the cool things about the channel, is I can just do whatever I want. I can try things like this anytime I want, and worked out good enough. It wasn't like it was a disaster, but it was just like a interesting dinner. So we'll file that one down as something that was fun to try, but not likely to be on the menu again anytime in the future. Thanks for watching as always. It's always fun to be able to throw some stuff down, cook, and have a good time. Beautiful night for it too. I feel like I'm all of a sudden turning this into a weather channel all of a sudden, because I'm talking about the weather in like every single video I do now. Because it's either terrible or good. We're in that part of the year where Nashville weather is either awesome or crap. There's no in between. So once we get to like a steady standard of weather, maybe I'll stop talking about it all the time. I don't know. Only one way to find out. Subscribe to the channel to watch future videos to see if I just keep talking about weather forever and always. Good night.